Welcome to our channel. In the last two sessions, we discussed some presentation tags. Briefly, I will explain what are the tags we discussed. Okay, the first one is acronym tag. The purpose is to give a full form. Next one is address tag, to display the address in italic format. B and strong. These tags are used to define the text in bold format. Small and big. Small is used to display the text in small font. Big is used to display the text in big font. Black quote is used to give indentation to a specified text. Cite, which is used to represent some citation in your document. Next, code. It is a computer code. Generally, it is used to display the program outputs, and that is default specified in monospace font. I and EM, which are used to display the text in italic format. DFN, the most important, which is used to define a new term. That is simply to give the definition. Now, mark, which is used to highlight some part of the text. Multiple large amount of text is there. I want to highlight some part. In that situation, mark tag is used. Suppose if you want to strike out some part of the text, in that situation, you are using either DEL, S strike. Exactly. If you want to insert some information, we are using INS tag. Now, the text is available. If you want to change the color of the text, by default, black color. If you want to change the color of the text, change the size of the text, that is the font size, change the type of the style, you are using font tag. And finally, we discussed SUB to give subscript, SUP to give superscript. Now, in this session, we are moving into some more tags. The first one is KBD. The name specifies keyboard input. Simply, code is one tag to display the output. Similarly, KBD is keyboard input. Very simple tag. For example, Control plus S, which is used to save a document. For example, Control plus Z, which is used for undo operation. Like that is there. Then that situation you are using KBD. I will explain. Same procedure. Open the VS Studio Code. Write down some KBD tag. Here, whatever the message you want, you can type the message. For example, here I used the command Control S. Message is save the page. Save the page is the text. Save the page is the text. Within the KBD, I used Control plus S. Now I will save and execute. Then you will get one idea. Refresh. Now observe, save the page. Observe the font, Control plus S. Whatever you written inside the KBD, that is displayed in that format. That is displayed in that format. Not only this one. For example, if you want to undo the page, KBD, Control plus Z. See, undo the page, KB, Control plus Z. I think you clear one. If you want to give some input with some commands, I think you understand commands. Whatever the command that you want to give, that command is written inside the KBD tag. Next one, U tag. Simply, U is used for underlining a text. I written some text. If you written the text in the U tag, the entire text is with underline. Exactly. So generally, whatever the presentation, I think you understand presentation, in which format we are presenting, exactly. Underline tag. Next, pre-tag. This is a pre-formatted text. Sir, what is the meaning of pre-formatted text? I will show you. Suppose if I am writing some information, okay, data structure is a way of, I given some space, organizing the data, sorry, organizing the data in a structure manner. Suppose observe, I written the text like this. How the output is displayed? You know that one. The output is displayed in a single line. Data structure is a way of organizing the data. Way of organizing the data in a structured format. Everything is displayed in a similar fashion. Now show. See, here, but I given some spaces are there in my test. Spaces are there, number of lines are there, yes or no? Now, if you are using the command pre, using the tag pre, now I return the entire text in the pre tag. Observe the output. What happened? Observe what happened? Pre-formatted text. In which fashion I written the text, exactly the output is displayed in the same fashion. You need or not? So, whatever the fashion I written, exactly that is displayed in a single line, no use. Suppose I want to write some poems. I want to write some information in the different lines with the different indentations. So, pre-formatted text plays very crucial role. Think you got it? See, pre-formatted is the browser will consider all the line breaks. Enter key is also considered. Spaces is considered. Whatever you written, everything is considered. Now, Q tag, which is used to display the text in double quotes, which is used to display the text in double quotes. Now, see, only this here given in double quotes, that is double quotes remaining as it is. Remaining as it is. Clear the point? Clear? Double quotes. Suppose I will show you one more time. Control S. Clear? Q represents the information in double quotes. Now, TT means teletype text. Simply the output is displayed in some dot matrix printer is available in that font format. Just this is some font. This is some font. For your understanding, I will write down two lines. One is TT. Welcome to HTML. Now, one line break. Welcome to HTML. Even you are, if you want, you can write in P also. That is not a problem. Or else directly you can write. That is also not a problem. You clear my point? See, welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. Are you observe? Suppose even though I removed P, observe the different fonts. I think you observe the different fonts. That is a teleformatted text. That is teleformatted text. Clear? Now, last one, sample, SAP. Simply it is used to display the outputs, to display the computer output. Sir, what is the meaning? For example, see this one, SAMP, save, 1 second. First I will remove, don't confuse, save. See, to display the output, to display the output. Now, if you want any additional text is there, you can add the additional text. That is not a problem. That is not a problem. Sample tag. Okay. Now, U tag is already completed, underline tag. So, these are the different presentation tags that are available. Anyway, if any new tag occur, we will discuss the new tag also, not a problem. That is the end of presentation tags. In the next session, we are moving to the concept of forms. That is the end of today's session. Thank you.